again. These books are really heavy. Why does this always happen to me? Okay, deep breath. Just walk through. Everything's gonna be fine.
Is it her?
Yeah, like seriously.
Ew, disgusting.
Oh, everybody's staring at me. Alright, I still need to get to my classes. This is so embarrassing.
Oh, she's not gonna make it here. Hey, check this out. This is no place for uglies like you.
Ouch! Oof, careful, that hurts. Oh my, what is that?
Hello, world. How do you do, pretties? Wow, hey, you look amazing. Yes, I know.
She's so amazing.
Oh.
I just wanted to give you this. I've collected them specially for you.
Gosh, you have no taste at all. Oops, sorry.
Are you okay? Please, let me help you.
Did you see that? She's helping him. Girls, we have a match here. Yeah, we have. We have indeed.
Why do you always do this? Gosh, you're so mean.
Oh boy.
You're all so cruel. Why do you do this to me? This is so unfair. I didn't choose to be like this. So why you all treat me like that?
But crying won't help here.
Oh my goodness. My skin is a total mess.
The mirror never lies.
Wait, what?
Ugh, I cannot stand it anymore.
Oof, even reflection ran away from me. But what is that? Interesting. Let me take a look. How to become a beautiful mermaid. Wow! First, I need to clear my skin. Okay, I think I needed to do it a long time ago. Ouch! No, I have to find another way. Oh, hey! Hey, gorgeous. Can you help me? Please help me get rid of these pimples.
Of course, sweetie, of course. We'll all help you. Just put us on your skin and let us do the job. Almost done.
That's really unusual. Sorry.
Done.
Oh, I can't! Wait a minute. My skin! I can't believe it! Let me take a look. Wow, that fast? But my hair... Oh my gosh, my hair looks like a disaster. I'll never fix this mess. It's impossible. Oh dear.
Is this one occupied? Oops, sorry. I just wanted to grab some toilet paper. Well, I guess you needed more.
Thank you. It's really tasty, but ew, what's that weird thing? How's this thing happen to be here? Wait, what's inside? Let me wash it all then. There must be more of it, I'm sure. You're ugly? It's her again! Ugh, she's so annoying!
Oh, looks like she's got our message. Well done, girls. Let's go. Oh, and I have another idea.
Hey, what's going on there?
Crying
What's
like
up, girls?
a baby. It's that weirdo sitting there crying her
No
eyes
way.
out. We
Did
just
you-
pranked her. Hey, where is he? Where did he go? Shut up. He must have come to her. I bet he did. What's wrong with her?
So what's next? Yeah, that perfect smile! Great! Let's see what we can do here. Gosh, it's scary to even look at it! Huh?
Why me? Why today?
Oh my goodness, what happened to you, sweetie?
Let's do the test. I got an F. See? This is unfair.
Oh, poor thing. Please, don't cry. I'm sure we can fix this. So, what can we do here? Let me think. I think it's easy. Let's turn this into A, then add a plus, and circle it. It looks pretty authentic. As if you really got an A+. Take a look.
Really? Wow, it is amazing. Thank you so
You
much.
see? There was nothing to cry about.
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
But what's wrong with your teeth? Ew.
What?
I know what can help you here. Come on, my little one. Squeeze and go. Very good. Now open your mouth. Just like that. Nice. And now let's rinse it all. Come on, don't be afraid.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
Relax, it's done.
Feels so clean. Wow, awesome.
Now it looks perfect. And you? Do you like it too, guys? Please give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button below. Thank you. Now I must go. Thanks for your help.
Bye, dear. Thank you, too. Amazing. Just a few more touches and it's done. Perfect.
So how is our little ugly doing? Let me take a look. Oh, she's been quite busy here. If she continues this way, we won't recognize her in just a few hours. I guess we need to help her a bit here to help her amazing transformation. This will do it.
Finally! Whoa! Ouch!
Oops. Yes, gotcha.
Wait a minute. Who spilled all this? Huh? Pearls? They look so shiny. Oh, I know what to do with this. We'll use everything. Everything will come in handy. One by one, one by one. It's all about patience. So wonderful. Check this out. Isn't it wonderful? I've never had anything like that before. Oh, right. We need to take off the old necklace first. Yeah, now the new one? Cool, isn't it? It looks so fabulous.
I can't believe it. She's really getting out of every situation. Fine, you win this round. But this battle isn't over yet.
Ooh, hello, beautiful. Hello, a date with you? Sure. La 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 la, ooh.
And he was just standing there, watching.
This isn't like him.
Please don't notice me. Please don't look.
Yeah, I'm telling you. Hey, where was it?
I'm sure you two will be just fine.
Oh, you dropped something. Oh, so embarrassing. It must be yours.
Thank you. Oh, such a pretty necklace. Where did you get it?
I've made it myself and... Ouch!
Get your paws off me!
Whoa, so rude.
I didn't know I got my bag.
Well. This outfit is so geeky.
I'm sorry. I'm so clumsy. I just... that's my makeup.
Let us help you then.
Oh, yeah?
Sit here and take off these nasty glasses. You don't need them. Don't worry, we'll give them to you back. Now close your eyes. Good. And nice rosy cheeks.
And this. Well, beauty demands scar faces, dear.
Now add some sparkling and pearls.
And don't forget about the lips.
Amazing. You are so beautiful. Come on, take a look in the mirror.
Wow, unbelievable. I've never looked this beautiful ever in my life. Wow. Girls, you're my saviors. I don't even know how to thank you. Take these flowers from all my
Oh,
heart.
thank you.
They are really beautiful.
I think we've done a great job here. Let's go.
That girl is doomed to... Hey, what? Where have you been? Wait a minute. And these flowers, where did you get them? I see.
See you then.
Bye. This is just unbearable. They have switched to the ugly side. They have betrayed me.
Cool. They finally noticed me and it helped. Wow. But my hair. What about my hair? Oh, come on. Finally. Oh my gosh. What a mess. It's so itchy. Wait, bugs? I can't believe it. Ah! I should have washed it all before going to school. Why didn't I do it? Quick, the more for the better. So gross. We need to get rid of these creepy things as fast as possible. I hope it will really help. I'm ready to try anything right now. And water. Of course, we need to wash it all off. Whew. One thing is done. And what is it in here? I think we can use this too for the weightiest hair ever. Attach it very carefully and then wait a bit. I hope the results will be splendid. I've done my best. Wow, I've made it. I've made it. But this outfit, I cannot walk like this anymore. Bye-bye, dear. You were very comfy, but I need to change. I'm sure something is missing here. Ah, right. The crown. Now I'm ready.
Hello, handsome. How about you and me going somewhere?
Maybe next time.
No. Please don't go.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow. It's her. Holy mermaid. How did she do it? Jewelry? Cool outfit? Is it really her? Makeup, hair, dress, and the crown. Wow. And the purse.
Come on, don't be shy.
Sorry.
All right. Take a deep breath and...
Marry me,
Get
dear.
off.
Don't bother me.
Just look over there.
Look. Oh, see? It's her.
Really? Wow.
Will you go out with me?
What?
Yeah, sure.
But I can't believe it. It's so you. You did this.
Come on, let's get out of here.
But, guys, I just... Oh, no. Hey, what's that?
Whoa, what is it? It's a mermaid. Give me it. No, I found her first. Oh no, what have you done?
Hey, you two! What do you think you are doing? Nobody should treat me like this. You're coming with me, my sweeties. You'll never get back again. Where is my portal? Open up!
Let me go!
Huh? Did you hear that?
The kids! Oh no, they're gone!
Welcome to my world, kiddos.
Please don't hurt us!
And I will, unless they change my mind.
Oh,
Have fun, losers.
this is so cool. We need some more cola here. Wow, what is it? Hey, don't touch it. It's mine. Nah, it's mine now. What's going on?
Wanna play? Then come with me, my sweeties. You will never get back again. Where is my portal? Open up.
Let me go!
Huh? Did you hear that?
The kids! Oh no, they're gone!
Welcome to my world, kiddos.
Please don't hurt us.
And I will, unless they change my mind.
Oh!
Have fun, losers. You don't have much time, so hurry up.
Oh, it's pink! But what is it though?
It's the instructions, silly. That witch wants us to transform these creepy dolls into mermaids.
I'm not creepy, I'm just dirty.
Ew, whatever. Let me clean you up then.
Oh, thank you. So sweet of you. Just shut it.
Not this one. The bigger one. Ready? Well, who cares? We need to wash it up thoroughly. And some bath bombs, of course. They will help to move the dirt out.
Fabulous, thanks. You're so pretty. Ooh, poor thing. But don't worry, I won't do you any harm. So lie here and let me think how to do it all.
Ew.
It's horrible.
Oh, whatever. She's clean enough to proceed. So what do we have here? Oh gosh, what is that? I need to fix it. I need to fix it up quickly.
Comfy, dear?
Pathetic.
Ready? So here we go. All over it, just like this.
Are you sure it'll help?
Of course. Look, it will clean you up in no time at all. Especially with this little one.
I like it. I need this.
Hey!
This one too.
But hey!
Ouch! What the? Oh, you will pay for that.
Oops, sorry. I just wanted to clean her. Oh, sweetheart, you look so beautiful right now.
Oh boy. Concentrate. This time I will clean all this mess from you, creepy face. Actually, I start enjoying it. Cool. But where were we? Oh yeah, cleaning. Let's wipe it all up.
So perfect. Huh? She's done it? Oh no, I must hurry up.
You will never do this better than me.
You bet. We'll see.
Sure we will. Huh? Oh my gosh! Ew! My face!
Ew. Sorry, I don't know how it happened. No, not this. This one will help it. I know it for sure, believe me. I've used it myself. And not once. It always worked. Now mix it thoroughly. It's ready. Now I only need to grab a bit and put right on your face. Carefully, avoiding lips and delicate skin around the eyes. Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Thought it would be helpful here. Well, at least it's yummy.
It feels weird.
Oh yes, I forgot about the mask. This time you will really look pretty.
Amazing. I'm sure it's all gone already. Let's check it then.
Sure.
Here you are.
Wow, it's so refreshing.
Not bad. Now let's check the instruction again.
Cleaning. Done. So what's next? Oh, the makeup? Sure. Gotcha. Only I will make it my style.
Don't worry, you're gonna love it. Here you are. I mustn't forget about my own hygiene, too. Ew.
All right, this will help me too. I used it for my magic spells. But I don't mind sacrificing it for my sister.
Yikes.
All right, now I'm angry. That's it.
Oh my gosh. At times, I think she will do something like that to me.
Relax, I'm doing it for scientific purposes.
Oh, okay.
This way I can get the purest black color possible. Right for the best makeup ever. Now she is really beautiful.
I don't know, she's scary. I'm for much brighter decisions here. Look, I'll keep it simple. Aw, isn't it wonderful? Oh, may I borrow it?
Hey, give me this one then.
Yuck!
There's still paint on it.
You'd better be careful next time. And we meanwhile will work on fancy lips coloring. Just a minute under the lamp and you're ready. Wow, you look so amazing, doesn't she?
Thank you, dear.
So one more thing is done.
Agree. But wait a minute. Oh, not again.
Time is running out.
She's waiting for you.
Hurry, my dear.
Tasty, tasty kids. Come here, sweeties.
Oh my gosh! I saw the witch. She's going to eat them alive. So I'm going to do everything to get this stupid doll back to her. To eat them? Seriously? Yes, dear. Unless you hurry up.
Oh, those kids, not a moment's peace. Again? Stop! Please stop!
Yes, dear. Sure.
I can't hold it anymore.
Sure, don't worry, dear. Here you are. Ow! Finally!
Thank you very much, sweetheart.
Oh, I have an idea, may I? I think I know how to make your hair as bright and colorful as mine. Or even better, who knows? Let's see how it will work together with water. Wow! It works perfectly so far! Pure rainbow! Let's see what we'll get. Just a few moments, dear. Let's check. Wow, look at you! You're like a real superstar!
Well done. Your hair is black as night now.
And a hairdress?
I know which hairdress will look lovely here. So how do you like it?
Looks good, thanks. Yeah, let me mark it up there for you. Aha, done. The hair is done.
Yeah, we did it. Only... Hey, there's no time for playing. The next thing was a bra. And there's no better color for it than black. Let me paint it up.
Ticklish, it's ticklish.
Lie still, don't more. These shiny shells will complete the design. Let me remove the rest. Yeah, it's perfect.
I have a much better idea. But first this will go off. So embarrassing. I don't look at you. Now, let's see what we could use to make a new one. These look magnificent. Only the color. We need something more interesting here.
Oh, give me it.
Wow, did you see it? Wow, you look beautiful. We can add some pearls now. Every mermaid adores them.
Oh, okay, I can do better too. Let me add one more detail. And a necklace, of course.
Fabulous! I really envy you right now. You look like a real princess. So the bra is done. Cool.
No, it's not. It will be done when I say so.
Relax, you're doing it great.
Phew, this was really challenging.
Don't worry, she's just kidding.
I'm not... a tail. Let me think. Oh, got it? This will be so easy. I just need to cover it all up with tape. Perfect.
But my feet are still seen.
Just a sec.
I love marshmallows, and they are really soft and stretchy. Right what we need here. I'm sure this will be an amazing mermaid tail here. Let me see. And now let's make it look like a real one. With all these scales all over.
As about the bottom part, we'll use some other materials. First, we need a form, so let's cut it out then.
And then attach to your feet.
Perfect. And now let's add some glue. But not only there, all over it, yeah.
Almost done. Splendid! And now let's add some glitter, dear. Let's make it shiny.
Oh my gosh, your tail, it's ruined.
Looks like it.
Quick, I need to fix it. Right, these will help. I will just add it right above so no one will notice.
This is amazing. Look, isn't she gorgeous?
Gorgeous? Nah, too boring.
But a crown. We forgot about it.
Spidey dear.
I'm coming.
Just in time. You brought it?
Sure, check it out.
Wow, I'd wear something like that myself. Now try it on.
Wow, amazing. Oh, I have some sources too. How was it?
Here you are.
Oh, thank you, dear.
Open up.
Fantastic. Look, darling. This is your new mermaid crown. You like it?
Frankly, I didn't expect it to be so amusing.
Yeah, now we can finally go back to that portal.
So how is it?
I think it's saying that we can give it a try. Bye-bye, dear.
Go!
Huh? Finally, honestly, these little brats are so annoying. I wish I'd never seen them. Phew, it was a nightmare. Hi again.
What took it so long?
Here they are. Enid, darling. Wednesday.
Dear.
Oops, I forgot.
Yeah, good girl.